Hello my dear friends and welcome back to TheHPlants, the channel for every plant lover. If you are intrigued by the idea of keeping ZZ plant in water but you are not sure whether this approach is appropriate, you are in a good place. In this video we will examine little known fact about keeping ZZ plant in the water, this method's advantages and disadvantages. So watch this video carefully. First of all, let me introduce you a simple and cheap way to propagate ZZ plants. If you have been wondering, can ZZ plant be propagated in water? The answer is absolutely yes. Just make a cutting out of the stem or leaf and put it in a container filled with water and put it in a place that receives enough light. After 2 to 4 weeks, the plant will start growing roots and rhizomes. After these roots reach 1 to 2 inches in length, it's time to transfer them in the pot filled with soil to continue its growing journey. Now let's discuss keeping ZZ plants in water. While keeping ZZ plant in water for a short period of time is okay, keeping them permanently is not advised, because ZZ plants have thick and fleshy roots that absorb water. If you submerge them in water for a long time, these roots may get damaged and this will cause some serious problem to your plant, such as yellowing leaves, leaves getting smaller and other problems. If you are interested in keeping ZZ plants in water, it's perfect to keep them temporary. After they grow roots, transfer them to the pot with soil. Also, there are some alternatives that I will discuss in the following. If you are fascinated by the idea of keeping ZZ plant in water, there are some alternatives for you. As I mentioned before, keeping them permanently in water is not advisable. So here you can create a water-like environment and keep ZZ plants in these environments. One simple method is creating a pot filled with perlite and put the plants inside this perlite. Perlite is a light mineral element that can mimic the conditions that ZZ plants grow inside water, but also have some features of water-like environments. These perlites increase the drainage and aeration of the roots, and therefore ZZ plant can grow perfectly in these situations. Now let's discuss some tips about keeping ZZ plant in water, but make sure that this keeping is temporary and not permanent. To keep ZZ plant in water, it's best to choose a pot that is clean and sterilized and fill it with fresh water. Put it in the situation that receives enough filtered light, and don't forget to feed the plant inside this container, and don't forget to feed the plant once or twice in a month with fertilizers. Another tip in growing ZZ plant in water is changing water. It is advised to change the water once or twice a month with the fresh water, so that the water gets clean and the chance of contamination and different diseases will decrease in these situations. Alright my dear friends, here this video comes to an end. As we discuss here, keeping ZZ plants in water is okay if you keep them temporary. Keeping them permanently in water is not advised, as this can damage the roots. So if you have any question or any comment on this regard, please let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.